SmartComp QA mode. For quality assurance professionals, SmartComp offers the ability to compare a spectrometry test result with a known material composition, making it quick and simple to check if a material composition conforms to a required specification. In quality assurance mode, create a list of one or more materials using the built-in search function. Just click Add Material and begin typing a material's official designation, and then choose from the list that appears. Next, enter the chemical composition from your analysis, or import it from a matching file format. Clicking Search will compare the composition to the materials you selected, including a value for similarity. Where the compositions don't match, elements will be highlighted in red. QA mode can be extremely helpful for quick and accurate conformance checks and for vendor assurance activities.